Hello and welcome to another Bookwits demo. In today's demo, we will be talking about another feature that we have on our platform, which is the tasks and workflow management feature. First of all, we can see our tasks in form of a list. We can see them as a board or as a calendar. We can also group our tasks. For example, right now they are grouped by status. I can easily group them by due date to see what tasks are already overdue or what will be due soon. Or I can easily group my tasks by tags to see the different types of the tasks I have set up. Next, I can also either close all the subtasks inside my tasks, or I can easily open them to see the details of each task. Or I can even separate my subtasks so that from this point, every subtask that I have will be treated as a separate task. If we click on Show Done, this will basically show us the tasks that have already been completed. And if I click on Assign to Me, this will only show the tasks that have been assigned to my name. I can also filter tasks. For example, if I only want to see the tasks related to a particular company, I can easily filter by this company name. Let's also have a look at what the task looks like inside. So when we create a task, first of all, we would need to enter the name. Then we need to select which client or company the task is related to. We can easily update the status, and we can create our own statuses. We can also add an assignee or multiple assignees. We can set the due date. And at this point, we can also start creating recurring tasks. So for example, for my monthly bookkeeping tasks, I have two options of how I can set them up. The first type of recurrence will be repeat same task, which means that you will only see one task at any time. And as soon as you complete this task, a new task will reappear. Create future tasks allows you to see a few tasks ahead for planning purposes. For example, say I have my monthly bookkeeping task and I want to be able to plan 3 months ahead. So in this case, I would do create future tasks, and I would select that I want to always see 3 tasks ahead. So I want the platform to create 3 tasks for me. And I simply select when I want the next occurrence to happen. So for example, if it's for my monthly bookkeeping, say I want the task to always appear every 5th of every single month. So I would select August 5th, we click on Save, and the platform will create 3 tasks for us. Then I can also update the priority of the task. I can add tags and track time inside the task. I need to simply click on the timer, start the timer, and it will start calculating the time spent working with this task. I can also add the budgeted hours, so this way I can always have a comparison between the two. We can also add description, upload attachments, and create subtasks. Now, your subtasks can be treated as separate tasks with their own details in terms of they can have their own status, they can have their own assignee, separate due date, priority, and other details. And you can also create subtasks inside subtasks, so you can go multiple layers of details. When we create a task, we also have an option to create a task from template. So we would simply click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner, select Create from Template. When you just start to use the platform, there will be an already pre-built template library. So what we advise to do is take any of the templates that we have, simply review it, modify the steps so it matches your workflow, and then simply save it one more time. So now the modified version will be available in your templates library. And this will probably be the end of our tasks demo. So thank you for your time, and please stay tuned for the demos for all the other features that we have. Thank you.